What's up guys, Retro Django here. This is my daily Amiga 1200.
This video is sponsored by PCBWay, my favorite PCB manufacturer. PCBWay offers high quality PCB services and much more. Get your PCB prototype, CNC manufacturing, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, and so on. The possibilities are limitless. Send in your product for manufacturing or just pick some of the projects that are ready to pick from.
I love it, and it used to work great. On this channel we're over 700 videos. A lot of videos with this Amiga. As you saw at the beginning of the video, when I turn the Amiga on, it doesn't boot with the IDE. It always did, but now, if I don't turn this one on for 2 days, it won't boot up the proper way. So why is that? That's because of the caps. Now the caps on these Amigas, they will give, if you live in a country that gives high glitches on the voltage, the caps will even the voltage out and give even stable quality. It will give quality power to all the custom chips and stuff like that. So as you can see, this one, when I turn it on, the caps are dried out. Caps are like batteries. The caps on this motherboard can't hold the charge power anymore. So it's beginning to show its age, that it's from 1992. So what we're going to do is actually we're going to recap this beautiful Amiga. There are like a billion videos where people check out the surface mounted caps and put in some new stuff. Now, we're not gonna bother with that. I'm just gonna tell you that when you have one of these, I haven't had that much trouble with Amiga 1200s, but Amiga 600s recap them right away. And I mean right away. They're just so many trouble with them. Oh, it's great. So what are we going to do? We're going to check out this keyboard here. I touched some metal before I touched anything, but let's just remove the keyboard. There we go. Now the Amiga has been turned on. That means that the caps are recharged, so the IDE to CF adapter will work and it will boot the proper way. But no, as you can see, they're really dried out. As you can see, it boots up. Let's turn it. Now it's they're charged, so let's do it like this. Now it should. No. Look at this guy. Let's hold both mouse buttons down. It doesn't even recognize the IDE. Let's wait. Cancel. Boot. Did you see that? Now the caps are charged up, so it boots. So if you have a similar problem, the solution would be recapping the Amiga. So what do? We go in here, we just let's start something right. What should we start, guys? About the music of Shadow of the Beast. Shadow of the Beast 2. Shadow of the Beast. There we go. Alright. So let's just
Let's move the camera just a bit over here, right? Oh, nice.
This is my data driver. I love this one. It has been a great experience for, since 2018, guys. Again, so many videos. It just works. Original caps from 92. So what's gonna happen? First thing, I will make sure this RF modulator is removed, thrown out of the window. We don't use them, just remove it. Next thing, we have some caps for the audio here. We have caps here, and a lot of them over here. Now, when you buy one of these, let me see if I can zoom a bit in here. There we go. When you buy an Amiga 1200, make sure that look at the legs of the caps. If they are silver like this, then it's okay, I guess. But I have seen some Amiga 600s where the caps did leak some base that destroys all the components around it. I have seen the IDE pins all green on Amiga 600s, just destroyed. This one looks beautiful, but the caps has lost their capacity, I guess. So yeah, let's get this beautiful board recapped and see what's gonna happen next time we boot. Upgraded to the best kickstart ever, 3.1 of course. I got a real cheap Terrible Fire 1230, not with the newest version firmware, no nothing, but it works fine. So I'm the kind of guy that if it works, just leave it. Using this cheap IDE to compact flash card adapter has been working for many years. I have put some, something at the bottom so we don't shorten nothing out. Other than that, revision 2B, beautiful Amiga 1200 boards. You have seen this one in multiple videos with a lot of different X-rated cards, and man, it has been a great experience for years. But now, as you can see, when I turn it on, it needs, a minute or two. I don't have to do anything here. It has nothing to do with the hardware of this ID connector, no nothing, but it just needs some time to charge up those caps. So guys, at the time of filming, it's 2022 and it is time to recap these old beauties. So yeah, go ahead and do so. And again, if it's an Amiga 600, do it right now. Stop watching this video, recap your Amiga 600. Other than that, you people are asking me, what do you think about the Terrible Fire card? I have reviewed maybe all of the cards out there, Terrible Fire cards, and I'm telling you, it's a lot of bang for your buck. Oh my god, I got this for, this is the 64 megabyte version, and buying one 28 megabyte makes no sense. It's just waste of 10 euros or whatever it costs. You'll never use that unless you are son of Jesus or something like that. I don't know, I don't care. But yeah, I paid 100 euros for this, and the CPU was not included. It was a present from a great friend of mine through this great hobby. So a lot of bang for your buck, man. Those days where you used, I don't know, where in Blizzard 1230, where people wanted 400, 450 euros, those days are just gone and destroyed after Stephen Leary's great X-rated card. So it is what it is, guys. I love this. And for WST Gaming, an 030 running at 50 megahertz, it's great. So this is my system. All right, let's just for the fun of it, just turn it off and on and see what's gonna happen. If the red light, oh, look at this. Okay, we need to recap. Okay, let's go ahead and do so.